Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure coverage with MetLife, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure coverage with MetLife, begin by visiting the MetLife website. Navigate to the insurance section on the home page. Select the type of coverage you're interested in, such as life, dental, or auto insurance. Once you've chosen your coverage type, click on Get a Quote or a similar option. Provide the necessary information as prompted, including your personal details and coverage preferences. Make sure to enter accurate information for better coverage options. After completing the required fields, you will receive a preliminary quote. Review the options presented to you, considering factors like premium and coverage limits. If you wish to proceed, select the coverage level that best suits your needs. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the instructions to set up your account, ensuring you have your identification documents ready. Once logged in, go back to your selected coverage and confirm your choices. Finalize your application by entering payment details as required. Review all terms and conditions before confirming your purchase. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with your coverage details. Keep this email for your records and review it to ensure all information is correct. If you have questions, consider contacting MetLife's customer service for assistance. Regularly check your policy and coverage settings through your online account for any updates. Adjust your coverage as needed to match any changes in your circumstances or needs. Stay informed about MetLife's offerings by exploring additional resources on their website. This ensures you continually have the best possible coverage tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.